Maximalist Christmas Decorating, 6 Bold Ideas to Transform Your Home. Dive into an extravagant guide to creating the most spectacular Christmas displays. From floating ornament cascades to multi-tree wonderlands, discover how to embrace the more is more philosophy this holiday season. We'll explore rich pattern mixing, dramatic greenery installations, captivating collection displays, and mesmerizing lighting techniques that will turn your home into a magical Christmas paradise. Perfect for those who believe there's no such thing as too festive, this guide celebrates bold, beautiful, and abundantly decorated spaces that capture the true spirit of holiday maximalism. Idea number 1, layer multiple trees. Transform your home into a magical forest by creating a wonderland of multiple Christmas trees throughout your space. Instead of limiting yourself to one traditional tree, scatter trees of varying heights in different rooms, from tabletop miniatures to towering floor-to-ceiling specimens. Each tree should be a masterpiece of densely packed ornaments, mixing metallic and colorful baubles with reckless abandon. Layer different lighting styles, combine traditional twinkle lights with steady glows and vintage-inspired bubble lights. Complete each tree's base with multiple tree skirts layered like a fabric wedding cake, mixing textures and patterns for maximum visual impact. Idea number 2, ornament cascades. Create a dramatic ceiling installation that turns your space into a fantastical Christmas snow globe using cascading ornament displays. Suspend ornaments of varying sizes, shapes, and finishes from clear fishing line at different heights, creating the illusion of ornaments floating in mid-air. Mix vintage mercury glass pieces with modern metallic baubles, incorporating both tiny delicate spheres and oversized statement pieces. Weave shimmering ribbon streamers and tinsel between the ornaments, allowing them to catch light and movement, creating a dynamic, ever-changing display that transforms your ceiling into a glittering canopy. Idea number 3, pattern mixing. Embrace the chaos of pattern mixing by layering multiple holiday prints and textiles throughout your space. Start with your soft furnishings, combining plaid throw pillows with floral Christmas prints and metallic geometric patterns. Extended this mixing to your table settings, where golden damask can meet classic tartan, topped with whimsical holiday motifs. Don't shy away from combining different holiday characters and themes. Let nutcrackers mingle with angels, and traditional Santas coexist with modern interpretations. Even your gift wrap can become part of the decor, choosing bold, clashing patterns that add to the maximalist display. Idea number 4, abundant greenery. Transform your home into a lush winter garden by incorporating abundant greenery in unexpected ways. Create oversized garlands that combine multiple types of evergreens, pine, cedar, holly, and eucalyptus, making them fuller and more dramatic than traditional single-variety garlands. Layer them thickly on mantels and wrap them generously around staircases. Take your wreath game to the next level by nestling smaller wreaths within larger ones, creating a mesmerizing nested effect. Break traditional rules by incorporating unexpected elements like peacock feathers, dried hydrangeas, or metallic painted branches among the greenery. Idea number 5, collection displays. Turn your collections into dramatic focal points by displaying them in bold, abundant groupings. Create an army of vintage Santas marching across your mantel, or arrange them in height order for a whimsical display. Stack vintage ornament boxes into towering sculptures, letting their faded graphics tell stories of Christmases past. Arrange nutcrackers of varying sizes and formation, from tiny tabletop soldiers to life-sized guardians flanking your doorway. Don't hesitate to incorporate unexpected collectibles, vintage toys, antique books, or even old photographs into your holiday displays, creating rich, layered vignettes that tell your personal Christmas story. Idea number 6, lighting layer. Create a lighting scheme that rivals the night sky by layering multiple sources of illumination throughout your space. Combine different styles of string lights, some twinkling, others steady, with the warm glow of candles in varying heights and the substantial presence of illuminated lanterns. Don't limit yourself to traditional white lights, incorporate multiple colors and styles to create depth and interest. Amplify the lighting effect by strategically placing mirror balls and crystal ornaments to catch and reflect light throughout the space. Add mercury glass pieces with LED lights inside, creating a mysterious, ethereal glow that transforms your home into a magical wonderland after dark.